Creating satisfying and visually appealing ideas with kiwi fruit and ice cream can make for a great sensory experience. Here are some creative concepts you can try using the kiwi fruit shell and ice cream for fun and satisfying presentations. Kiwi fruit ice cream bowl. What you need: kiwi fruit, your favorite ice cream flavors, a melon bala or spoon. How to do it? 1. Cut the kiwi in half and carefully scoop out the flesh, keeping the shell intact. 2. Fill the hollow shell with a scoop of ice cream, vanilla, mango, or lime. Pair well with kiwi. 3. Garnish with small chunks of kiwi, a mint leaf, or chocolate sprinkles for a vibrant, edible mini bowl. 2. Kiwi ice cream sandwich. 1. What you need: kiwi slices, ice cream, and optional toppings, chocolate chips, nuts, or shredded coconut. 2. How to do it? 1. Slice the kiwi into thick, even rounds. 2. Place a small scoop of ice cream between two kiwi slices to create a sandwich. 3. Roll the edges of the sandwich in toppings like chocolate chips or nuts for a satisfying crunch. 3. Kiwi shell ice cream boat. 1. What you need: kiwi fruit, ice cream, whipped cream, and toppings like honey or granola. 2. How to do it? 1. Cut a kiwi in half lengthwise, scoop out the flesh, and shape the shell into a boat. Layer the boat with kiwi chunks, a scoop of ice cream, whipped cream, and a drizzle of honey. Add granola for texture and serve with a small spoon for a satisfying treat. 4. Kiwi ice cream popsicle. What you need: kiwi slices, blended kiwi puree, ice cream, and popsicle molds. How to do it? Place a thin kiwi slice at the bottom of each popsicle mold for a decorative look. Alternate layers of kiwi puree and softened ice cream in the mold. Freeze until solid and enjoy the satisfying combination of creamy and tangy flavors. 5. Kiwi spiral with ice cream. 1. What you need: kiwi fruit, ice cream, and a sharp knife. 2. How to do it? 1. Peel the kiwi in a spiral pattern, keeping the peel attached to the base for a decorative flower. 2. Serve a scoop of ice cream in the center of the spiral for a visually stunning dish. 3. Drizzle with chocolate syrup or fruit sauce for added flavor. 6. Frozen kiwi ice cream slices. 1. What you need: kiwi slices, ice cream, and a flat tray. 2. How to do it? 1. Cut kiwi into thick rounds and scoop out a small hole in the center of each slice. 2. Fill the holes with a dollop of ice cream and place on a tray. Freeze until firm, then serve as a cool, bite-sized treat. Kiwi and ice cream smoothie bowl. What you need: kiwi fruit, ice cream, and smoothie ingredients, banana, yogurt, or juice. How to do it? Blend kiwi, banana, and a scoop of ice cream into a creamy smoothie. Pour into a hollowed kiwi shell or a bowl and top with kiwi slices, granola, and more ice cream. Add artistic swirls with a spoon for a satisfying aesthetic. Kiwi ice cream roll. What you need: blended kiwi puree, ice cream base, and a flat freezing surface. 2. How to do it? 1. Spread a thin layer of kiwi puree and softened ice cream onto a freezing surface. 2. Freeze until firm, then scrape into rolls using a spatula. 3. Place the rolls into a kiwi shell for a satisfying and edible presentation. 9. Kiwi ice cream dipped cones. 1. What you need: kiwi puree, ice cream cones, and melted white chocolate. 2. How to do it. 1. Dip the tops of waffle cones into melted white chocolate and let them dry. 2. Fill cones with scoops of ice cream and drizzle with kiwi puree for a tangy topping. 3. Add edible glitter or sprinkles for extra visual satisfaction. 10. Kiwi fruit art with ice cream. 1. What you need: kiwi fruit, ice cream, and small cookie cutters. 2. How to do it. 1. Cut kiwi into thin slices and use cookie cutters to create fun shapes, stars, hearts, etc. 2. Arrange the shapes around a scoop of ice cream to create a visually pleasing design. 3. Add edible flowers or mint for a final touch.